Hello, hello to KLS GCC third semester students. This is Savita Khanapure dealing with the subject PED. So in our today's session we will discuss about the obstacles in entrepreneurial growth, entrepreneurship development. So what are the obstacles? What are the problems faced by the entrepreneurs? It is an activity which is concerned with setting up an enterprise. An enterprise is a basic unit of industry. An entrepreneurship activity leads to industrialization. And industrialization means economic development. Therefore, entrepreneurs are considered as catalysts in the process of economic development. Entrepreneurship does not occur naturally and spontaneously. In India, unfortunately, entrepreneurs are facing some problems which have stood in the way of rapid industrialization. Problems of developing entrepreneurship in India may be classified into four categories, namely economic factors, that is economic problems, sociological factors, sociological problems, psychological factors, psychological problems, and one more, government factors. So friends, let us discuss these problems in detail. What are the economic factors, economic problems? Economic factors are acting as a strong deterring factors to the growth of entrepreneurship in India. Almost majority of problems are economic problems only. Entrepreneurship depends upon economic factors like provision of adequate capital, infrastructure facilities, strong institutional assistance, investment friendly environment, etc. However, the following are the economic problems which are adversely affecting the quantity and quality of entrepreneurs in India. So what are those problems? Let us discuss one by one. First one is shortage of capital. Capital is very important factor. Capital is very needed in the entrepreneurship to start an enterprise. So shortage of initial capital is responsible for the slow growth of business, slow growth of entrepreneurship. Even today, majority of people are living below poverty line. Therefore, people's ability to save is less. Less saving meaning it's a meager, less capital formation. Capital formation and investment ultimately depend upon savings. Due to shortage of seed money, that is initial capital, entrepreneurs are not coming forward to set up enterprises. Increase in capital investment improves the capital output ratio, while increase in profit. If capital supply increases, entrepreneurs also increase. This is one problem. And the next one is lack of institutional support and counseling. The institutions and organizations are not showing proper interest in all the stages of entrepreneurship development. Therefore, the program fails to develop the entrepreneurial potential of the area, or entrepreneurs do not receive support and advice which they need to start new enterprises. The next one is incompetence and poor management. Depends upon the past experiences. Past experiences have proved that the incompetence and poor management of enterprises are responsible to failure of enterprises. Entrepreneurs establish business units without competencies and managerial skills. New entrepreneurs are not able to handle the new venture successfully and efficiently because of incompetence and poor management. The next one is non-availability of the resources. You may know the resources are like labor, raw materials, skilled labor, machinery, equipments, etc. It is another problem to the entrepreneurs. in a entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurs are not to to get the various input easily. Here the non-availability of the resources like raw materials, skilled labor, machine and equipment, etc., are the main cause for slow entrepreneurship development. The shortage of resources is acting as an hurdle to the growth of entrepreneurs. The next one is lack of infrastructure facilities. Infrastructure facilities, it includes again the refers to the basic amenities like industries. Basic amenities are electricity, water, transportation, roads, warehouse, banking network, etc. The infrastructure facility should be available to the industries continuously in adequate quantity at cheaper rate. Unfortunately, India is not providing infrastructure facilities to the entrepreneurs in proper quantity. It should be noted that China has created infrastructure. That is why they are making a tremendous progress in both quantity and quality of entrepreneurs. Next one is high risk. Nobody wants to take a high risk. Risk is an integral part of every business. Starting a new business contains high degree of risk, of course. This is due to falling demand for the product service, change in government policy, price fluctuations, increasing competition, changing technology, changing customer taste and habits, political instability, labor strike, etc. So these all they may face many problems in a business. When they start the business, they have to take a risk. If they are ready to take the risk, then only they can start the business. This is also main problem of a entrepreneurial growth. And the next one is marketing problem. Indian entrepreneurs are facing marketing problems continuously. Here the small enterprises are facing competition from not only from other small enterprises but also from big and multinational companies. In fact, middlemen grab a majority portion of the profit. Moreover, the bargaining power of average entrepreneur is less as compared to the big organizations. The last one is other hurdles, other problems. Even entrepreneurs are facing other problems like low status of a businessman, low quality of a product, less salary to the employees, absence of research and development, and so on. So this is about the economic factors